Why hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is MR.CRABBY. Do you know that you can earn money online by selling t-shirts? Well, today, I will show you a print-on-demand website, where you can earn money for your designs. The website I'm sharing with you today, is called teespring.com, and it allows you to create designs for shirts and other products, and sell them on the website. There are no upfront costs on your part, as Teespring will be handling costs like printing, shipping, customer service, and more. And like any other print-on-demand website, you set the price for your products, and keep the profits. In this website, there is no limit to how much you can earn, but that does not mean you can set your margin really high, as that might affect your sales. Also, you might want to get some experience in photo editing softwares, like Photoshop, or GIMP, as great designs often sell well, compared to low-quality ones. I think this website is really good, as you can earn some decent money per each sale, and if you manage to get 100 sales or more, then that's some serious money for a simple design. And it's completely free on your end. So why wait? Start selling today. You'll find the website link in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like to help the channel grow, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.